Organizing your wardrobe is a crucial aspect of maintaining a tidy and efficient living space. Firstly, an organized wardrobe makes getting dressed a breeze. When clothes are neatly arranged, finding the perfect outfit for any occasion becomes a quick and stress-free task. There's no more last-minute rummaging through piles of clothes to find what you're looking for. Instead, you can easily see all your options laid out, making it simpler to coordinate your attire. Additionally, an organized wardrobe helps you to see what you have. Often, clothes get buried and forgotten under heaps of disarray. By organizing your wardrobe, you create visibility for every item, ensuring you don't waste money on duplicate or unnecessary purchases. You will find items you may have forgotten about and can now use, expanding your outfit choices without spending a dime. Furthermore, it can help you to reduce clutter. A cluttered wardrobe not only takes up more space but also makes it difficult to maintain cleanliness. By decluttering and organizing, you create more room for your clothes and accessories, which in turn makes your living environment more pleasant. An organized space also means less dust and allergens, contributing to a healthier home. Finally, an organized wardrobe can contribute to a clearer mind. Physical clutter often translates to mental clutter. When your surroundings are tidy and orderly, you're likely to feel more relaxed and focused. Taking the time to organize your wardrobe is not just about aesthetics but also about improving your daily life and overall well-being. In conclusion, an organized wardrobe offers numerous benefits, including easier outfit selection, visibility of your clothing items, reduced clutter, and even improved mental clarity. It's a small investment of time and effort that pays off significantly in enhancing your quality of life.